Hi viewers, welcome back to Comtech. In this video I'm going to show you how to create, design an auto calculator using Excel or in Excel. So without further ado, always remember to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification button so that you don't always left behind or you get notified. So let's kick to start by opening our Excel sheet. Then I can highlight this. Then assuming I'm taking an invoice for the school, invoice Comtech school. Then in that school I have subjects of exams. So in those subjects I have pages per subject. I have copies. Remember I'm taking like an invoice for an examination which has been printed. So I can say printing, I make this to fit. Then I can also photocopy. Then I can say total. So in the subjects I can have subjects like English, mathematics, I can have like history also, geography, biology, chemistry, physics, Greek, entrepreneurship, ICT. Then in each subject here there are pages per paper. Like English I can have 10 pages, and the rest. So but before I first enter the pages, that's why I call it auto calculator, helping you to create an auto calculator. So what I do next is to put the formula. Let me put the formula for printing here. Is equal to, open the brackets, printing is the number of pages times how much am I typesetting and printing at 950. Then I close, I say okay. But I can include which currency. I come to the home tab, come to general here, then more number formats. After there, come to currency, I tap there and I look for UGX because I'm in Uganda. Then I say okay. Then here I auto fill. After auto filling I come to photocopy. How much do I photocopy? Photocopies will be equals to the number of pages times the number of copies times photocopying per page. Take for example, I'm taking 95 shillings, 95 UGX. Then I say okay. Then I can also fill with the currency, number formats, currency, tap here, UGX. Then I say okay, because I'm in Uganda. Then finally I auto fill. So total will be equal to sum of printing plus that one of photocopying. Then I say okay. Then finally I auto fill. Then assuming the school has deposited some money, let me highlight that and I match the cells. Then I can put balance, then amount deposited. Can highlight this, I match the cell. So what is the amount for the balance? What is the formula for the balance? Balance will be equal to the grand total. So I can merge this one, then I put grand total. So after merging that one, grand total will be sum of all the totals. So balance is equal to, you can say the grand total minus amount deposited. Then I close, then I say okay, amount deposited ever UGX 0. Before we do anything here, let's first make our thing organized. First design our thing. Erase this, put it to green, change to book and ticker bold. Finally can highlight all this like this. I come to borders, I change the color red like that. So I can put all the outlines like that when it's red. So but inside you can also change, come to borders, dotted line, then I select green, then I put okay like that. So let's see what we are going to. So here English, assuming we have 2 pages of English, automatically the total will be added for printing total. After inserting pages, printing will enter automatically, total for that will enter automatically. So then how many people or students are there in class? Assuming we have 59, when we enter that one automatically, the total will automatically change. Even for photocopying will enter. So let's autofill this up to here, and we have seen everything that's happened like that. So we can also enter here like geography 8 pages, 80 pupils in class, entered automatically. So let me autofill and enter this one also, and we see. So can make this one to fit. So that is the balance. Assuming someone has deposited 80,000, what will remain as our balance? So it will calculate automatically. We can even go back to general, more number formats, currency, then we say here UGX, then because we are in Uganda, so when you tap this one to 100,000 Uganda shillings, that one will change automatically. When you even put beyond that one 800,000, that one will enter a negative. So that is it. So we can put 80,000 back and we see how our thing changing. So always follow me step by step so that you don't miss. So I can change this one to also times New Roman, and we see everything nice. Thank you for watching this video. Always remember to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification button so that you don't always miss. Thank you for watching this. But next time around I'm going to show you how to unprotect or to remove password in an Excel sheet which they have protected. So always remember to like, subscribe so that we're all in point. Thank you.